Welcome to SQL Interview question. Imagine you have an attendance table and your task is to find employees who were absent for 3 consecutive days and get their last absent date. Here's the solution. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Pick only the absent days. We start by looking at only the absent days. Think of a school register. If a student is absent, we note down that date. So we remove all present days and keep only the absent records. Step 2. Compare dates using lead function. Now, we need to check if an employee was absent for exactly 3 days in a row. To do this, we use the lead function. For example, if today is March 2nd, the next day would be March 3rd, and the day after that would be March 4th. Now, what lead work date, 1 does is it checks whether the employee is absent on the next day, that is March 3rd. And lead work date, 2, it checks whether the employee is absent on the next day, that is March 4th. Step 3, the final query. Det_diff function checks if these days are exactly 1 day apart. It means between the 3 consecutive days, there shouldn't be any gap or break. So the difference between num1 and work date should be 1. That is, it tells that the employee is absent on both March 3rd and March 2nd. The same way, the difference between num2 and num1 should also be 1. That is, the employee is absent on March 4th and March 3rd. If both these conditions are true, then the employee was absent for 3 consecutive days. Now you might be thinking, what's the role of max work date? It gives us the last absent date of the employee. So the final output looks like this. That's it for today. Follow for more SQL interview questions. Thank you.